Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, one more day has passed and now my project looks almost completed. I'll show you from the beginning what it is now. Okay, let me lock the door. Okay, see, pot lights have been installed. Of course they are going to be fixed, they will do at the end, and they work. You see, they work. Even light here has been installed, no problem, fine. All other things here have been installed as well. See, duct coverings have been installed, sockets have been installed. I think they have got the power, but I have not tested it. But these lights, you see, these spotlights, they are gonna be into their place soon when the electrician comes for the next time, maybe tomorrow or some other time, I don't know. Let me turn them on and show you. Yeah, see, do you like the color? Let me know. I selected it out of various available colors. And here kitchen cabinet installation is in progress. This is gonna be my sink. Okay, sink is already here. He's gonna come and fit it over here. Those are water connections. Cabinets are here. Probably he's gonna make a hole here for putting the range hood. And yeah, some cabinets are here already. More will be done over here. There's gonna be the refrigerator. That's gonna probably come on Monday. And range will also come on Monday. Yeah, so I think it is done, because here they're gonna be range, refrigerator, range hood, 3 appliances here, sink. Okay, and this is the place for other things. Now to storing, now for the storage, they will have the space here, and also these 2 drawers will be used for storing items as well. Coming to other things, what's that? Oh, still they have left some metal. Probably they want to install it, that's why they have left it here. Coming here, so here also pod lights have been installed, as you see. Wow, nice, looks like. Duct coverings have been installed too here inside the bedroom. So this is gonna be my bedroom, guys. Okay. That is the egress window. I'll turn it off. I'm not sure if anyone else is gonna come tonight or not, but it's okay. Yesterday they worked till very late, I think 9 p.m. if I'm not wrong. Now let me show you the washroom. So shower area installed. Wow, bath fittings, this one has been installed, this one will be installed, this is already in place. This is here. Oh wow, water is coming, I can use it. Wow, that's good. And what else I have? Okay, I have some items to store over here. Vanity is also installed. Potty is also installed, although I have not used it. Wow, glass door will be installed here. Okay, perfect. So I think even electric connections are working, because whichever connection I tested is working. And see the light here, do you like it? I like it. I can turn it off. Oh no, wow, additional. Oh, this is for this exhauster. So an exhauster is working. Wow, great. All things are here. So even kitchen is almost set up, almost, because he has to do these things and then appliances will come. Here also everything is in place. This mirror you see here will go right all the way right over there. Okay, so that is good. Wow, they brought the stairs also, I mean ladder also. Yeah, they have to clean the mess, still a lot of mess here. That sump pump, that this is my ladder, they are using it, it's okay, I don't mind, because they are doing my job ultimately. I'll turn it off. So it looks like they are gonna finish my work pretty soon, because I don't think anything is remaining. Once appliances come and get through, once other things pass through, There's nothing to be worried upon, right? Appliances will go on their place. Then imagine this, like once this mess is cleaned, once that mirror goes to its place, doors you saw inside the bedroom, they'll be installed. So what else is pending? Absolutely nothing. Yeah, this is something new they have done as per the standards. I don't know what it is. And it looks like they have added some sprinklers too, right? Is it? Looks like some sprinklers too. Wow. Maybe some city standard. I will ask him. Wow, that's good. So as you can see, more or less it's almost done. So yeah, we'll have, now I need to go to online and start looking for tenants then. But yeah, I will not start right now. I'll wait unless all the permits are issued. So let me know guys what you think about this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching.